Welcome to part 2 of our SWAY-3DG Laser Level Calibration Guide, where we dive into the precision of vertical beams calibration. Let's get started. First, you need to carefully remove the housing. This step is essential for accessing the internal component. So grab your precision screwdriver, gently unscrew and set aside the screws. Next, locate and remove the menu keypad, then loosen one side of the stickers in the front. Carefully open the housing. This is important to only carry out this procedure with a certified technician. Then pay close attention as you carefully remove the window frames in the front. This step requires a steady hand and patience to ensure nothing gets damaged. Finally, to stabilize the core during calibration, use a rubber band to securely fasten it in place. This will prevent any unwanted movement, ensuring your adjustments are as precise as possible. Now let's start calibrating our two vertical 3D beams on this laser. Today, our certified technician is using a customized fine-tuning tripod in addition to a high-precision collimator total station with 16 optics. For vertical lines calibration, a fine L-shaped wrench will be used. We have introduced this little tool at video part 1. Here, we're looking at the front vertical dial now. You'll find the calibration screws on each dial. Here you see 3 of them. Remember, the top and bottom screws adjust the beam's left and right orientation. The center screw adjusts the beam's direction overall. Use these screws for precise calibration for vertical beams. We'll show you how to make these adjustments step by step to ensure your SWAY-3DG is calibrated correctly. Moving to the side vertical dial, also known as the 90-degree beam, the calibration approach remains the same. For this dial, the top and bottom screws are again responsible for adjusting the beam's left and right orientation, while the central screw controls the beam's vertical direction. Let's proceed to the adjustment using the same method to ensure precision in the 90-degree beam's alignment. For education efficiency, we're now accelerating our footage to double the speed. Watch closely as we move through the calibration steps. We have now aligned all 3 cone styles, now accurately projecting beams on 12 surfaces, showing on the calibration monitors. This model provides 4 horizontal surfaces, 4 vertical beams in the front, and 4 vertical beams at 90 degrees to the front, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Again, at Beiter, we adhere to a QC standard of 1 mm every 5 meters for accuracy tolerance. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive into the SWAY-3DG's features and repair techniques.